changing mixed fractions into is it improper or improper?
Improper.
Okay, proper fractions. That's going to look like this. So,
3 whole number 1 out of 2.
okay, 3 whole number 1 out of 2. The first thing, look at 3 whole number 1 out of 2. Pay attention. So changing mixed fractions to improper fractions. If it's 3 whole number 1 out of 2, let's see the steps. That would mean that, pay attention. That would mean that we have 3 complete ones. Watch here, 1, 2, 3. Is that okay? Sarah? Watch here. So it means that we have 3, and then the last one is going to be a fraction. Is that okay?
Yeah.
But how do we know, Joe? How do we know how many parts this whole numbers are divided into? So this is a whole number. Whole, and then what?
Whole.
No?
Fraction.
It's a fraction. It's a fraction. So if this is a whole, how do we know how many parts it was shared into? What will give us a hint?
The fractions, the denominator.
Kayla, yeah. The denominator here, right?
Yep.
Okay. So that shows that this is divided into how many parts?
2.
Into 2 parts. All right. So everybody is in 2s. Is that okay?
Yep.
If they are in 2s and you got everything, you got here like this. Are you following?
Yes.
Okay. Then here too, you got everything. Then here, how much did you get in the fraction?
1.
1. So 1 out of 2. So into improper fraction, that will be, you have how many smaller parts? 1, let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or simple one, let's say, so 7 out of
2.
Or let's add in this way. Let's add it in this way. So you have 1 out of 2, 1 out of 2, 1 out of 2, 1 out of 2, 1 out of 2. So let's add 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. So we have, let's go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you sure?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 7 over what?
2.
7 over
3. 2.
over 2. So 3 whole number 1 over 2 is equal to 7 over 2. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. In simple form, we could just go this way. This is the understanding behind it. So you have 3 whole number 1 out of 2. 3 times 2. 3 times 2. 3 times 2. 6. If you have more, plus 1. 6 plus 1.
7.
So 7 over 2. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So 3, 2, 1. Let's try our hands on a few examples. Our hands on this. So write 3 whole number. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Write 3 whole number. So change the following. Following into improper fractions. That would be 2 whole number 1 over 7. Second part, 3 whole number 4 over 5. And then 4 whole number 2 over 3. All right. So start work.